In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a simple but highly effective automation that we built with Make.com. It solves a problem we see across industries. Whether you're in real estate, insurance, manufacturing, or property management. Here's the scenario. You're tracking opportunities in your Monday CRM, and each opportunity may include multiple products or services. Some get approved, some don't. But when a product or service gets the green light, it needs to become its own project, with all the right details attached. In our example, we're looking at an opportunity called Hudson Valley Estate Management. Each sub-item under this opportunity represents a potential service, complete with a sales rep, status, offer value, email, and phone number. Once the overall opportunity is marked as 1, our integration kicks in. Every sub-item marked 1 is automatically converted into its own project on the project board, complete with all associated data and a link back to the original opportunity. This workflow is not something Monday.com supports natively, but with Make, it becomes seamless. And best of all, it's fully scalable to your unique use case. If you'd like to set up something like this in your CRM to project process, book a free discovery call using the link below. We'll walk you through how to make it happen with Workflow Magic. Thanks for watching.